I've never seen them do that.
Oh my God, look at this.
Look at this here.
He's not happy with me.
This is. It's a little bit of it. Yeah, hopefully.
Little circuits.
Keep up, Kev.
Why they're still going up.
Look at them.
Some very white.
Now the lion mating. Oh, is the baby gonna nurse?
Seems like she'd need to lay down for that. I mean, it's a small horn, but still. He's just full of joy.
Yeah, the calf is full of energy.
You know, nothing like a little bit cooler weather.
Absolutely.
Stretch the letchway behind them.
A few ducks in between.
He's going to do something there.
See how he's dragging his feet, huh?
And he's praying,
And
he's
spraying the
praying a
urine.
lot.
Yeah.
She's flying.
It's interesting, he's peeing backwards.
Absolutely, his pressing, his penis is more like it can move. It's movable. You can move it at the back.
How convenient.
So,
And just like elephant and hippos, they have internal testicles.
In the back, it's like
Wow. There will be no other rhinos in this territory.
that shall not be mistaken his boss. It's interesting that the little birds are following where they walk. I'm assuming it's because of all the disturbed insects and
Yes, that's
things.
the reason you have those jacanas following there. Got a lovely picture of the red lychee there behind.
Back to peaceful grazing. By the way, the rain had stopped. So how about that?
long manner. Yeah.
It's interesting. You can do the reverse. So you focus on the leche and then
Wait.
hatchway, and the rhino just becomes a little bit.
And when I saw that, I kind of thought maybe one Chinese maybe saw that.
Ah, and that's where the rumors started.
Gestation period and very long incisors that keep